What women secretly want but won't say. Understanding women's desires and needs. Understanding what women want can sometimes feel like a mystery. While every woman is unique, there are common desires that many share but may not always express openly. Unspoken needs often stem from emotional, psychological, and practical expectations. If you want to build a stronger connection, enhance your relationships, and truly understand the women in your life, this article will give you a detailed perspective on what women secretly want but rarely say. 1. Emotional support matters more than you think. One of the most profound needs women often keep to themselves is the desire for genuine emotional support. They want to feel understood, heard, and valued. Sometimes, they are not looking for solutions to their problems, but simply need someone who listens without judgment. A reassuring presence during challenging times can provide immense comfort. Showing empathy, acknowledging their feelings, and offering a shoulder to lean on can strengthen any relationship. 2. Appreciation through words and actions. Women crave appreciation, and it goes beyond a simple thank you. Thoughtful words and actions that recognize their efforts can make them feel truly valued. Compliments about their appearance, intelligence, or accomplishments create a positive impact. Celebrating their successes, both big and small, reinforces their sense of worth. Showing genuine admiration reminds them that their efforts do not go unnoticed. 3. The power of quality time. Time is one of the most precious gifts you can give. Women often desire quality time over grand gestures. Whether it's an intimate dinner, a long walk, or a spontaneous road trip, undivided attention makes them feel prioritized. Putting away distractions like phones and engaging in meaningful conversations builds a deeper emotional connection. Being mentally and physically present during shared moments is a clear expression of love and respect. 4. Respect and understanding form the foundation. Respect is not just about polite behavior. It's about valuing her opinions, boundaries, and individuality. Women want their thoughts and perspectives to be acknowledged without condescension or dismissal. Understanding her emotions, supporting her decisions, and recognizing her autonomy fosters trust and mutual respect. Encouraging her independence and celebrating her uniqueness are signs of genuine admiration. 5. Thoughtful gestures speak volumes. Small, thoughtful acts often mean more than grand declarations. Surprising her with her favorite snack, writing a heartfelt note, or simply making her coffee in the morning can bring joy. Women often appreciate these spontaneous expressions of care and consideration. These gestures convey attentiveness, which shows that you pay attention to her likes and preferences. 6. Supporting her ambitions and goals. Every woman has dreams and aspirations that are important to her. Supporting her ambitions, encouraging her growth, and celebrating her achievements can strengthen your bond. Offering a listening ear when she discusses her goals and standing by her through challenges shows unwavering support. When a woman feels empowered and uplifted, her confidence soars, and she thrives in all areas of life. 7. Honest and open communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any relationship. Women value honesty and vulnerability, even when conversations are difficult. Sharing your thoughts, emotions, and concerns fosters intimacy and trust. Avoiding assumptions and encouraging open dialogue helps resolve conflicts and prevents misunderstandings. A woman who feels safe expressing her feelings is more likely to do the same in return. 8. Security and stability are reassuring. While material possessions are not the ultimate measure of security, women often seek emotional and financial stability. Feeling secure in a relationship means knowing that their partner is reliable, trustworthy, and committed. Providing reassurance through consistent actions and responsible decisions cultivates a sense of safety. Emotional stability, in particular, comes from knowing that you're a source of comfort and strength. 9. Emotional intelligence is a game changer. Emotional intelligence involves recognizing, understanding, and managing emotions, both yours and hers. Women appreciate partners who can empathize, regulate their emotions, and navigate relationship challenges maturely. Demonstrating patience, offering constructive feedback, and expressing your own feelings in a healthy way fosters emotional connection. Emotional intelligence creates a balanced, harmonious relationship. 10. Making her feel special every day. Finally, making a woman feel special doesn't require extravagant gestures. Expressing love through kind words, attentive listening, and affectionate touch can brighten her day. Remembering special dates, planning small surprises, or simply expressing gratitude strengthens your bond. Consistent efforts to make her feel cherished and respected will create a lasting impact. Conclusion: the beauty of understanding unspoken desires. Understanding what women secretly want is not about guessing or assuming. It's about paying attention, communicating openly, and showing consistent care. When women feel valued, respected, and supported, they are more likely to reciprocate with genuine affection and loyalty. Building a strong connection is a continuous journey of growth and discovery. The key is to be present, attentive, and willing to meet her emotional and practical needs. By nurturing your relationship with intentionality and kindness, you'll unlock a deeper level of intimacy and mutual understanding. Ultimately, it's these everyday efforts that create a fulfilling, lasting bond. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.